it's All Things Kids with Jules and
Lily.
And today we're tasting jelly beans! So, it's around Easter time, and there are so many different flavors of jelly beans. So we thought it would be fun to try them. So, our mom went out and bought 10 different flavors of jelly beans.
And we do not know which kind they are.
So, we're going to say our favorite ones and our least favorite ones. That means the one that are not good. So, let's get started.
So now we're going to be starting with number 1. And they're kind of like pinkish reddish.
Okay,
I'm scared, so let's try. I give it a thumbs up. Okay.
So number 2, they almost look like they
sour.
like have a gloss on it. So let's try it.
Okay.
Let's try the yellow one.
Actually kind of sour.
Oh, that was so gross.
That's so
I
cool.
don't, you know.
I'll take a drink of my water.
Okay.
I do not like that one. Some sound. Okay.
Okay, so now we are on number 3, and these ones are like almost a rainbow color. So let's
I like
try
it.
one.
Let's check.
I actually have no clue what that one is.
Oh, I know.
Okay. Okay, on to our next one.
Now let's start with number 4. They kind of look like Easter colors.
Yeah, they look
They're like
little
all
like pastel color.
Different colors. So let's try one. I don't like this one.
I didn't like that one. It's weird when you bit into it. It was like a weird taste. I'm not going for that one. Okay, so now we are on to number 5, and these ones are another rainbowish color, and they're really bright. I'm gonna try a white one.
Yeah, me too.
Hope this is not coconut. Oh my god, I don't even know what that was.
That tastes
was
like baby
good.
wipes.
So this is the one me and Lily have been dreading to taste. Number 6.
They look like they're puffy and there's all different colors. Let's try. I'm gonna try yellow. Actually, let me try that. I don't like it.
I got a good one.
Actually, it tastes good. I thought it was gonna be bad.
Now we're on number 8. So these ones are another one of our rainbow ones. Now let's try one.
I like it.
I don't like that one.
I like it.
I had like a weird taste to it.
If you try the green one, it tastes good.
Okay, on to number 8. I have a feeling. I think I know what these ones are. I don't think Lily are gonna like these if my prediction's
And
correct.
they are number 8.
If I'm correct, she's not gonna like this one.
I'm scared.
Prediction. Oh my god, I know what that one is. Oh, you can't choke me. I love this one. Are you open? I don't know if you like that one. On to number 9. These ones, they're like different colors, but they're more of the light colors. You okay? Did she like that one? Okay, I'm gonna take a pink one. I'm gonna take 2 of these. Oh, I know what this one's on. I love these ones.
I don't like it.
I like it.
Tastes like. Yeah.
Oh, I don't actually know what Okay, on to our next one. Number 10 and our final and last one. So here it is.
I'm going to try the green and light green. one is.
I know what this one is. These are my favorite.
Oh, now I know what they are.
So, my least favorite had to be these ones. I did not like these ones at all.
My least favorite is...
It's number 4. Number 4 is my least favorite.
I do not like number 8.
Okay.
And my favorite one was probably...
It was very
this
hard.
one.
My favorite was number 10.
He loves this kind.
Okay, now we're going to reveal. So now it's time to reveal. Well, I think the first one is, I think it's the strawberry Starburst. Thank you so much. And what do you think it is?
I think it's the same.
Okay, so my mom's going to pass it down.
And
you're correct. Oh my god, these are one of my favorite ones.
They look like this.
Okay,
Go to the next
number
one.
2, I think it
Sour
is...
Patch.
I think these are the Sours.
Sour Patch?
The Sours. Darn it, Lily's correct. It's the Sour Patch Jelly Beans.
That's why it's so sour. And I don't really know what these are.
The others, I think it's a Starburst. I think it's a Starburst. What about
Swedish
you?
fish.
That's a pretty one. Oh my god, I did not expect these. They are the Lifesaver Jelly Beans.
I do not like Lifesaver. That's
I was off by a lot. Oh my god, I know what these ones are. These are those Starburst with the filling in it.
Yeah, I think that too.
Oh my god,
we're correct.
Oh my god, we were right. It's the Starburst Crazy Beans, and right here on the picture, if you open it, it's the jelly inside. I did not like these.
I do not
These
know
are my
what
least
this one
favorite.
is.
Oh, I actually don't know what those ones are.
Let me smell it. They smell gross.
Maybe Swedish Fish? I don't know.
Yeah, I think that.
Oh my god! Brancher's Tiny Jelly Bean Bird Eggs. Wait. Broth? I did not like these ones. Well, they were actually pretty good. They make the candy hearts.
Yeah. I do not actually know what these are.
I think those are those candies that they're like the raspberry ones. They're like a raspberry filling. That's what I think they are.
Yeah, me too. That's really...
Oh, it's Nerds! Oh my god, these ones were actually pretty good.
That's why they have the little stuff on it.
Oh my god, that's so surprising. But these ones are really good. Okay, so which one are we on? Starburst, another Starburst for sure.
Yeah, probably another Starburst.
Oh, look at these ones. They're the Starburst Original Jelly Beans, and they're sour. I did not expect that. They were not sour. Okay, on to this one. I think that one's Pez.
Me too. It feels like Pez.
Swedish Fish! Oh my god, I'm so not expecting that! Oh my god, that's such a big surprise. I was not expecting that.
On to this one. Pez.
I don't know. I don't know. Okay. Maybe they're Pez, I don't know. Wait, dog droppers. Laffy Taffy! Oh my god, it did not taste like Laffy Taffy.
No.
Not at all.
On to
Okay,
the
Lily, what do you
last
think it is? You have to guess first.
one. I really think, I'm smelling. They smell like skincare.
So you think it's soda?
Let's just try one again.
No, I think good. Come on.
It's hard. Just go to, I don't know.
Sweet tarts.
Sweet tarts. Sweet tarts!
Sweet tarts. These are my absolutely favorite, and I knew one of them would be these ones because I know my mom knows I can't eat these ones, and they're my absolute favorite one. So there's one last look.
And those were all the jelly beans. I'm gonna eat one of these. Bye.
So we hope you enjoyed this video, and please subscribe and comment down below.